This is the Unreal data visualization example. This is actually version 3, but it's the first video that I'm putting out. As you can see, we have axes, red for X, green for Y, and blue for Z. We have little ticks on them, and if we start moving around, I've actually loaded the iris dataset. If you're unfamiliar with the dataset, I'll include a link that discusses it. But again, this is not to actually analyze data, just demonstrate what we can do with this engine. So we have 3 different species, green, blue, and orange. And if we click on one of them, you can see the engine is capable of giving you the location as well as the identity of that species. If I click here, we'll get one of the blue species, and I can get one of the green species if I click on them. Sorry, let's see here. One of the blue species and one of the green species. There we go. There's not a whole lot to demonstrate in this obviously very basic demo, but the strength in Unreal is that we can explore the data and really, quite literally immerse ourselves in it. We can look through the data and get new perspectives. Eventually, we can add machine learning to this to split the data up into categories live, which would obviously be very interesting. We can make it so that you can interact with each of these dots. We can make it so that once you click on one of the dots in any given category, it could collapse and hold all the points of that category, which could be beneficial for very large data sets with lots of categories. But for now, we're just going to have a nice simple example.